Unity. I'm probably an extremely small minority when I say this, but I love the Unity desktop. It was cohesive, well-themed, had a nice workflow, and altogether worked extremely well. But as we all know, in April 2018, Ubuntu switched back to GNOME for its desktop. Which leaves me to wonder, what the hell is the point of Ubuntu in the modern day? What does it offer? Now, don't get me wrong, I'm loving the GNOME 3 desktop, having recently switched to Fedora, but Fedora has a purpose, a reason to exist. It's a stable yet somewhat bleeding edge desktop that just lets you get work done, with a great stock GNOME desktop to boot. But without Unity, what purpose does Ubuntu serve on the desktop? It's not like it does too much particularly well. It's based on Debian, so it inherits all the issues with it. Anyone like PPAs, moldy cheese aged packages, late security patches, the pure garbage that's apt? Hell, the only advantage to Debian is that one wallpaper existing.
キスかなあ、でも
But even ignoring the faults of Debian, all Ubuntu serves as is a shitty tweaked GNOME desktop. Oh, can't forget the added advantage of that built-in spyware/adware Amazon app. Ubuntu saved, other distros BTFO. But seriously, it's bloated, not even that noob-friendly anymore, and other distros had the pack where it, to parody the term, just fails. But Ubuntu doesn't just work well enough and does not fit the traditional desktop metaphor anymore, which noobs require. Go ahead, Ubuntu, go add Dash to dock, but that's not going to suddenly make GNOME perfectly fit the workflow of noobs. GNOME is a desktop inherently mixes things up. It has its own vision, distancing itself from traditional desktops. And again, this is a good thing, but Ubuntu's missing the point, trying to tack the traditional desktop onto something where it's not receptive. But oh wait, I forgot! Ubuntu has pretty good built-in printing support. Other distros BTFO. Oh wait, I forgot, Fedora exists. But anyway, if Ubuntu re-added Unity, at least it has that going for it. Unity sold the modern Ubuntu desktop. You can look past all the inherent flaws in the base system because hey, at least the desktop's pretty nice. But nope, Canonical's busy shitting IoT out of their ass. No time for the desktop. Thanks, Canonical, suck my dick. TLDR, Fedora or Arch with GNOME or die. Ubuntu is pointless. If you want GNOME, you go for stock GNOME, not shoddily pieced together Ubuntu GNOME. Fuck you.